Hi there and welcome to the garage, welcome to the channel. Thought I'd give a quick introduction kind of to explain why there is yet another motorcycle channel on YouTube. So this is my 2016 Africa Twin. It's a manual version and it's gotten quite a few upgrades over the time I've had it. So I thought, I've learned a lot watching other channels and stuff like that. So there are mainly two reasons why this channel exists. One of them is that it's my kind of small contribution back to the Africa Twin community, or the motorcycle community as such. And the other, more importantly, is it's my way of learning stuff, basically. I am in no way, shape or form a mechanic, trained or certified or anything like that. And I'm not an engineer, so all I do on the bike is based on my own experience, having had motorcycles or ridden motorcycles for 20 odd years. And I use the shop manual for the Africa Twin, as I have for my other bikes as well. So all the things I do here on the bike, things I talk about, will be my take on things, the way I've learned it. If there are anyone who knows better, then please feel free to comment. I'd love the feedback on it. And it's my way of learning stuff. I think it's nice to know how the bike functions, how to take it apart, put it back together, and that might someday, and it has, been an advantage, so to speak, to when you're out riding and something breaks down, you'll have a fairly good understanding of what breaks down and how to fix it. So that's my main motivation. I'll be dividing the channel into 4 sections for now, I think. So there will be one which is installation series, where I'll put all the stuff on the bike. I've ripped some stuff off in order to make videos on how to install it. Then there will be a service and maintenance and repair thingy, where every time I break something I'll try to fix it. That happens from time to time. And I'll also be doing some regular maintenance and stuff on the bike and try to make videos of that. There will be one section for electrical stuff, so modifications or things I do to improve or to add on to the electrical system on the bike, or some accessories and stuff like that. And then there will be one section of kind of tech talk or stuff, where I'll try to explain things to the best of my knowledge, and hopefully that can spur off some discussions and perhaps interactions from you guys or from other channels or stuff like that. So I hope you'll enjoy the channel. Feel free to comment or ask me anything if there's something I can help with, and see you in the next video.